responsibility. All those are selected, whether head boys, whether house members. They hold the responsibility, and they need to make sure they are vigilant to each and every student, so that they can report and the action will be taken if any miscreant boys or girls are there. It's a great responsibility. It's not easy to nominate yourself as the head boys or head group or anything. It holds the responsibility.